Top of the morning, folks. Yeah, it's been a while since I uploaded. I try and upload every week, so I'm a bit overdue. But I've been living life, you know? Maybe insert clip. So yes, my thirst for adventure was strong. I felt like the mountains were calling me, so I've spent the last 2 days up in the mountains. I haven't gone through all the footage yet, but hopefully get a decent video out of it. So anyway, I thought this morning I would go on a little adventure, a little mission. I have headed to Beeston Castle. I may or may not have woken up at 4 AM and climbed in before the opening time. But I thought it'd be absolutely spectacular on the drone, and I wanted to actually check out a hotel called Peckforton Castle as well, but this place was just so amazing and with the sunrise, so I wasted all my battery here, which is absolutely fine because I can always come back. So anyway, I hope you enjoy the edit and probably a bit of the GoPro footage of me getting out.
Ladies and gentlemen. Damn, son.
That was not elegant. Three walls, so yeah, it would have been like really hard to fly the drone all the way from outside, so you know, you gotta do it for the footage, you know what I mean? But yeah, amazing start to the morning. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, all that jazz. Peace.